So ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to this brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a simple presentation in PowerPoint. So we're going to start with simple stuff and then we're going to go to advanced stuff. Alright, so the first thing is when you open the PowerPoint app, this is what you're going to find. Right? If you want me to make a video on how you can download PowerPoint and how to set up it, everything, just let me know. So this is PowerPoint and you have some, you have some suggestions over here. You have some type of presentations you can make. So we're going to click on blank because we want to make a blank presentation, aka an empty presentation. So we have here a text and a subtext if you want a subtitle. If you want to remove these, all you gotta do is go to the corner, click again and click on delete on your keyboard or simply like this, click again and like it. So we have an empty page or an empty blank slider. We're gonna duplicate it. To do that, it's very simple. Just click Ctrl D, and as you can clearly see on the right hand side, it's being duplicated. So first of all, here we can add everything and anything we want, right? So in this presentation, I'm going to explain to you, and then you can do whatever you feel like. So first of all, let's change the background to something that is nice. Change the background. We have a lot of options. I'm gonna show you the one that I know and the simplest. You're gonna right click, you're gonna click on format background, and here you can change the background to whatever you want. You can change it to a solid color, you can choose the color from here like this. You can choose a gradient like this, a gradient from black to gold or something like that. You can change a picture or a pattern or a texture, sorry. Here you can choose a pattern like this. I'm gonna choose picture. Then I'm gonna click on file over here and I'm gonna choose a file for my PC. So I'm gonna blur that first. So I'm gonna choose this picture. Why? Because I want it. So I'm gonna change this picture, right? And here we can add some customization, or you can see some presets here to change the way the picture looks. But I'm gonna keep this one. I like it. And then I'm gonna delete this one. I'm gonna duplicate the like this. But the picture is too distracting. We need to blur it a little bit. So to blur the picture, all you're gonna do is view. All you're gonna do is go to the picture over here, and you have here where is it? Picture color. Here we have saturation. We're gonna decrease it a little bit to make it less vibrant. And we have here. Alright, it's here in the fill section. There is transparency. Just use the transparency a little bit, right? And yeah, I think that's pretty nice. We can also do something like this. Yeah, let's make it a little blurry. I'm gonna delete these ones too and duplicate this one. So we have our background like this, right? You don't have to do 100% exactly what I do, but you can take the general idea and you can customize it the way you want. So alright, this is our background like this. We need to add a text. So to add a text, you're gonna go to insert. You have a text box over here. Click on it. Click on insert a text box. So we're gonna drag like this, and this is a place when we can add our text. So I'm gonna say hello world like this. So this is our main text. We're gonna bring it to the center like this, right? And then we're gonna edit it. We're gonna click on it and we're gonna select it like this, right? Then we're gonna change the color. From here we can change the color to whatever color we want. For example, I'm gonna make it red because I want to. Yeah, no particular reason. We can add the line over here if we want to add the line. We can make it bold. We can make it italic. And from here we can change the font. And the fonts that you're gonna find here are the fonts that you downloaded in your PC. So yeah, I have a lot of fonts. So I'm gonna choose this one. That's not the one I want. Where is my font? Where is the font that I wanted? There it is. We're gonna choose this one. We're gonna select it all. We're gonna give it the same size like this. I think this is pretty nice. If you don't like it, that's your business. It's not my business, brother. So we have here our title, right? And if you want to duplicate this one, it's very simple. You can click on it. I recommend you click one of these dots and click on Control D and it will duplicate it. Or you can simply hit Control and drag and it will duplicate it. So both of them are correct. Whatever you do, whatever you choose, both of them can work the same way. So let's take this text box over here. Let's make it smaller so it doesn't go out of the slider. Let's do like this. This is perfect fine. And it's now centered, right? So let's add another subtitle. We're gonna click on it. We're gonna select it. We're gonna call it subtitle like this. We're gonna Control R to select it. We're gonna make it only 11 or 12 like this. We're gonna increase the size a little bit. We're gonna change the font to whatever font we want. This is just for explaining when you're gonna do your fonts. Please don't do something stupid like this. Make it something more professional, right? I'm just explaining. I'm just making sure that the idea is clear to you, right? So another thing we can do is we have what's called word art over here. So you can choose any one of these. You can click on it and it will add a text that it's like this. So for example, we can do like this, example 1, and you can make it like this, like a headline. And then you can add just a regular text from going to insert, text box, and add a small text. Like this, right? So this is just a general idea. This is just the first video. I'm showing you where everything is. I'm showing you how to use everything, and then we're gonna get more advanced. So this is the first one, right? We're gonna choose the headline. We're gonna go to animation. Animation are self-explanatory. There are animations. You have float in, you have fly in, you have fade, you have split, you have wipe. I prefer float in like this. So this is the first one. If you want the same effect to go to everyone, we're just gonna click on, where is it? We're gonna click on this one. We're gonna click on animation painter, and the cursor will turn into a small brush, as you can clearly see. It's a small brush, and we're gonna click on this one, and it will get the same effect. Click on animation painter, or on animation painter, click on this, animation painter, click on this, and they all have the same exact animation. If we clicked over here on this little thing, which will full screen our slider, if we click on the mouse or in the arrows on our keyboard, this is how our presentation is going to show, right? So we're getting somewhere. All right. Another thing we can do, we can insert, add, and we can choose here picture. We can add pictures to our presentation. For example, I'm going to choose the same picture. Right? And I'm going to make it a bit smaller like this. I'm going to add it here. And also the picture, I can add animations to it. So I can just click on the last animation, or go to animations over here, right? Click on it. Click on animation painter over here, click on the picture, and now the picture will also have its own animation. So if I hit enter, as you can clearly see, that's what is going to happen. All right, is that clear? All right, for most of the people, for 90% of the people, this is more than enough, right? Just knowing the basics is more than enough for you, so you can get started, right? But we're not 90% of the people. We are the unique, if I may say. So this is just an introduction to PowerPoint, and I don't want to make that a simple, boring introduction, so I did this one. So if I found some people liking this, if I found some people who want to learn more, I will do more and more lessons. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you liked this video. If you did, drop us a like, comment down below in the description section of what do you want to learn more, what mistakes should I make. And I apologize for my language. It's not perfect, but I try to do my best. I'm a native Arabic. I speak Arabic. I'm a Moroccan, so that's why my language is not that great. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next one. And thank you all for your support.